Sarah, and I'm here with Little Bits, and we have 4 new kits this year that we've come out with. The first are these 3 new Little Bits kits. So we have one that's a base inventor kit for new inventors, and kids will learn to invent and solve problems in their communities with the environment and make the world a more inclusive place. We also have a space rover kit, inventor kit, where they create, they put bits together to create the space rover, and they can drive it around with an app. And then we have the electronic music inventor kit, where they put the bits together to create a guitar. So that plays, for instance, so these 3 kits, this one is $99.99, this one's $199.99, and this one is $99.99. And then we also have the Avengers Hero Inventor Kit, which kids put the little bits together to create a little, like a gauntlet. So for instance, when I put this on, we have an accelerometer bit that triggers different sounds on the sound effects bit and triggers the LED matrix. So the accelerometer senses the movement. We also have a light sensor in this kit, which kids can go on stealth missions, and the goal of this kit is for kids to invent their own superhero identity and power and customize their gauntlet to create awesome superhero identity. So it's been really cool to see what other companies are making and to hear what kids think about this product. It's been really fascinating.